Guys, welcome back to the channel and to part 4 of the build of the Lancaster Mark III. Now, I wanted to start by apologising for my frustration in the last video. It's just that this bit here completely broke off, and it was a bit of a pain to try and get it to get it secure. So what that's now happened, but I don't really want to go putting in the two bits that go in here just in case if it snaps off. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take off the masking tape, and we're going to have a go at, and we're going to go about putting the wings on today, so it'll be so we'll just get this masking tape off. And well, that's what I didn't want to have. I know why, because I left that. I deliberately didn't glue that in so that we make it a bit easier for the front turret to go in. So that's what we're going to do. Right. So the first bit, according to the instructions, is the top half of the wings go on. So we turn it upside down, and we get part A8 off. A8, which is this one here, right? So there we go. Now that goes like so. So what we need to do is to get our file, or at least one of our files. There we go, and we just where my finger is as well. And I think that's it. So and then what we can do is, if I get my scratcher out, I'll tell you what, I'll just do it with this and then hopefully. And then that will give us something, that would give something the glue to grab hold of. Now I'm going to go and grab my masking tape a minute. No, we want this one. We want the plastic magic. And then all we got to do just for that to hold in place. And we'll leave that to set for a bit, okay? Okay, we're going to get the other top half on. So we get just going through all the rough bits. So just, as I've done before, I've filed away some of the paint that I painted a bit earlier, and we're going to get that on. And we'll get some masking tape off again. Let's call it masking tape. But now, yes. So I'm going to leave that, put that on there, and I just realised I haven't right. So there you go. Both the top half of the wings are on. Right, so just going to move this out of the way for a minute, because here we want part H20. And there you have it, which is this small part here. These are the landing lights. I think, yeah, the so it's just going to file these down a bit so that we can Now, put that to one side for a minute because we want the part that actually because we want this part here. Right, now then, that goes in there like so. So we just leave a bit in there. And then what we do, I think that goes over there. Just doing a sort of dry. Right. Use the same bit of I knew this would happen, right? See what the problem is. So once again, I think this is what I had the problem last time. So it didn't seem to want to go in play. It didn't want to. come on. Oh, shit. See, this is the problem. I think this that I had last time. I wonder if that's. Yes, I think we've got. I think we're there this time. Yeah, we're there. Yeah, there we go. We're on. Right, now all we've got to do is to get some glue. Is to get some glue in there, and so I think to start with, we'll just put a little bit of masking tape around. Get a bit of masking tape in there. So no, so see, I'm going to peel it back just ever so slightly, because I want to try and get. No. So what we'll do is get some glue. Alright, now get some more masking tape off, and I think just bear with me, I'll get some frog tape. Oh, come on. There we go. Right. Right. Now, let's get some glue in. Come on. What we'll do is we'll just put a bit of glue in there, because that's just come away a bit. We'll just get a bit more fog tape off, and then we can I'll try and I think what we'll do is we'll get a bit of glue in. Okay, I'll tell you what, guys, I'll come back and I'll finish off the wings. Okay. Well, guys, that's it for this episode, and well, I've got the wings on, and I'm pretty pleased that I've got the wings on as well. So as well, I mean, because when I filmed Sunday's video, putting these struts in, it was a bit frustrating, to say the least, and so yeah, I managed to put the wings on today, so I'm happy with that. Anyway, next episode we'll be having a go at the engine nacelles and the tail flaps as well, the tail flaps and so on. So anyway, if you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up, why don't you? Also comment and share the video as well, and also, more importantly, subscribe as well. So if you've not subscribed before, it's free to do so, and it all helps to grow the channel. So in the meantime, guys, thanks ever so much, and I'll see you for the engine nacelles and the tail fins. Okay, see ya, bye bye.